In this video, I will walk you through a WP Sync review to determine if this automation tool lives up to the hype for managing complex workflows. When you look at the landscape of lead management, there is a massive contrast between manual data entry and a unified system. For those running an online business, the trade-offs are clear. You either spend hours juggling leads from Facebook, webinar registrations, and affiliate marketplaces, or you use a tool like WP Sync to pull everything into one place. The standout feature here is its ability to eliminate the mess that happens when data sits in several different silos. Compared to traditional manual methods, WP Sync offers a streamlined path for operators who want to actually profit from their efforts, rather than just managing spreadsheets. It targets the specific problem of fragmented information that plagues builders who promote affiliate offers or manage diverse lead sources. If you are struggling with data scattered across different forms and websites, this comparison shows that an automated sync is the winning choice for scaling your operations efficiently. It is built for those who value speed and organization in a high-volume environment. I hope this breakdown helps you decide if it is the right fit for your tech stack. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more automation tips. Let me know in the comments how you currently manage your leads.